Okay, so I'm currently watching like episode 5 of The Flash on Netflix. So the Flash TV show. There are three things there are three things I want to talk about. So the first thing is the concept of the Speed Force. So after watching Aoba Thor as the main villain in the season 2 of DC Legend of Tomorrow, it's so refreshing to see a speedster that is working for the good side. Yeah, because Aoba Thor is the reverse Flash. So it's the antithesis of Barry Allen. So this is the first thing. Then the second thing is the concept of meta-humans. So the concept of meta-human has been talked about in the Snyderverse, the movie, such as the Batman versus Superman, Batman v Superman, when Batman pointed out the various like meta-humans, including Wonder Woman, the Cyborg guy, and Aquaman and Flash. Yeah, so Flash is considered a meta-human. Yeah, which is, I mean, the concept of meta-human and the Cisco lab that Barry Allen is working in. So I think that's very cool. I think the concept of meta-humans, I think it has been talked about in DC Legend of Tomorrow. Yeah, basically I think meta-human is like the DC version of the mutants in X-Men. So basically people with some weird abilities and power. So Flash is one example. Yeah, so I think the scientific part the scientific explanation behind Flash and how he was struck by the lightning was quite cool. I mean, I think that part was cool. I mean, they talk about, basically there's a lot of science involved. Yeah. Then the third thing I want to talk about is the return of Captain Cold. So yeah, I was quite happy to see Captain Cold in episode 4. So yeah, I think he's one of my favorite character in season 1 of the DC Legend. So it's cool to see the charismatic like Wen-Wood Miller making a return in as Captain Cold. And he's basically a counter to Flash because he can slow down Flash using his ice gun. Yeah. Other things I want to talk about. First, I think is the relationship between Barry Allen and his co-workers at Cisco, as well as the Harrison Ford, Harrison Wells. Yeah, I think his name. Basically the head scientist. Yeah, at the Cisco lab. Then after that is his relationship with Iris and her father. So because he was basically adopted by Iris' father. So I think he seems to have a crush on Iris, but she is in love with other guy. Yeah, so I think there's some sort of love triangle, I'm not sure. Yeah, then also the relationship between Barry Allen and his own father, because his own father is in prison. He was framed for murder. So that part is a bit like sad for him. Yeah, so as well as his relationship with his stepfather, which is the Iris' father. I can't remember his name. Yeah, but it seems like a very good police officer. And I think Barry Allen saved him multiple times from those meta-humans with some weird power. I think in season 2 it was the villain was the guy with the gas power. Then the guy with the gas power, and some other villains in the first 4 episodes. Yeah, so I think it's quite a good show. I think I'm quite into it. So looking forward to see more episodes of Flash. Yeah, I think it's a nice, because I'm watching the DC Legend of Tomorrow. So I decided to watch Flash just to explore more of the universe. Yeah.